Hello and welcome to Vinchin. In this video, you will learn how to perform Kubernetes backup with Vinchin Backup and Recovery. First, let's take a look at how to add a Kubernetes cluster to the Vinchin backup system. Before adding Kubernetes, you need to modify the settings of the underlying container engine and restart it for the changes to take effect. There are 3 ways to add a cluster, all of which ultimately require installing an agent client on the target host. Please go to Resources, Infrastructure, select Kubernetes Cluster Management, click Add button to add the Kubernetes cluster. You can choose one of the 3 methods to add Kubernetes: manual add via SSH for remote client deployment, or add via cluster connection configuration file. In this video, we choose to add via SSH for remote client deployment. Enter the corresponding configuration parameters and click OK. Wait for it to show as online after completion. After completing the configuration steps above, let's verify the deployment status of the business components. We can see that the relevant pods have been successfully launched. Now we can start backing up Kubernetes. Go to Backup. Click Kubernetes. Select namespaces or applications to back up. Select the target storage and target backup node to run this backup job. Configure the backup strategies. You can select full backup, incremental backup, and set up schedules for them. You can also set up throttling policy to control system resource usage during backup. Also, there are other useful strategies like data compression and data encryption. And you can set up retention policy, transmission strategy, security strategy, and choose advanced strategies according to your needs. Just submit the job. Let's start the job. Now the backup job is complete. You can click on details for more information. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.